Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Country Cooks. I'm Chef John. Rebecca's behind the camera. She wanted me to do a cook for her today, so we're going to do a shrimp cook. It's a spicy soy bourbon shrimp. You can serve this over rice or noodles or anything, but we're going to serve it over a bed of vegetables, mixed vegetables. So I'm going to cut the vegetables up real quick and we'll get to cooking this. And Rebecca's going to cook the vegetables she's going to roast them in the oven. I'll cut these Brussels sprouts in half. Rebecca's going to put them in the air fryer. She's going to season them with a little bit of oil and some salt and pepper. Sometimes we put Mrs. Dash on there. You can season them however you want to. These are fresh. We just got them. We're going to do a red pepper and a yellow pepper, and then we're going to have some spring onions. We're going to do spring onions, green onions. Get this top off. She's already washed these. Make sure you wash your fruits, vegetables from the grocery store. They probably still have chemicals on them. It's like you can't find fruit and vegetables without somebody messing with them with chemicals. So, unless you grow your own. Alright. I think I'm going to cut these all up, kind of square them off a little bit. I think she's going to roast these in the oven. The Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. We'll cut these tops off. Take some of this loose skin off. About an inch long. Here, and then to top it, give it a little beautiful color. Alright, we're going to mix. I'm going to tell you what I'm putting in here as we go along. We're going to put some water in here. I'll leave the recipe down and show more like I always do. We got some water. We got some bourbon. And we have some soy sauce. I'm putting all my liquids in there first. We have some fried garlic flakes, some crushed red peppers, and the last two ingredients, we have some packed brown sugar, and we have some cornstarch. cornstarch got a little sticky in this. Let's see what we got here. So now we're going to mix this all together until that cornstarch and sugar gets dissolved. And then this is a quick, easy, fast cook. So this is our little sauce that we're going to pour on in the last half. So we want to make it now. I got my skillet hot. It should be really hot. I got it on 375. It's still coming up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of, what have I got here? Toasted sesame seed oil. That's exactly what I got. And we're just going to bring this until it starts to smoke a little bit. Spread it all over. My table's very level. Took me a long time to level these tables off. I don't think I've ever had a level table before. Now, if you've never cooked with toasted sesame seed oil, it has a burnt smell to it. It's okay. It's going to be delicious.
It's normal.
It's normal. And we have the large shrimp, peeled, deveined. Throw our shrimp in here. We're going to cook these for about 3 minutes until they start turning pink. Go ahead and get them in that oil real good. It's been about 3 minutes. We'll go ahead and add our sauce. We're going to let it go for about 3 more minutes. Shrimp, pepper, and a Brussels sprout. That's real good. The Brussels sprout's a little chewy, but it's delicious. Rebecca sprinkled baby fried noodles on top. Try an onion and a little onion in one. Rebecca hadn't even got to try this. It's delicious. It's mild. Nothing's overpowering. I'm gonna hand her a piece of shrimp. You'll hear her behind the camera going. Told you she'd be smacking.
It's delicious.
It's very good. Like I said, all the flavors were really good together. Easy dish, came together real fast. The longest thing took us to measuring everything and cutting it up. The cook went quick. All right, hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave the recipe down in the show more. First time here, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and most important,
Y'all come back.
Bye.
Bye.